The whole experience has been magical. The yoga, the meditation, the beautiful organic meals, the wonderful people that I've met. I just feel lots of freedom. It's very spacious, relaxing, calming, just beautiful place to really just let go and de-stress and chill out.
I think it's just a really beautiful experience that isn't too far away from Sydney. It's a nice little retreat to get away with friends or family, and I look forward to coming back.
Now I'm feeling wonderful. I feel really refreshed. I feel as though I've been around people who are really energising and amazing. I just feel really positive going back into my normal life.
Billabong was fantastic. I highly recommend it. While I've been here, I've spent a lot of time writing, reading, journaling. So the benefits that I'm going to take home is just being clear where I want my life to go.